Hey everyone, if your Ring doorbell went offline after changing the Wi-Fi password, don't worry, this is really a common issue. I'll quickly show you how to reconnect it using the Ring app. Let's go to the device list and then from here select your device and then just tap on that, click on that settings and then navigate further down and click on that device health. Let's tap on that and then as you can see the status is offline. So we're gonna go and change network button. Just tap on that. Just wait for it to show up all the settings. Yep, continue. And from here, just make sure that the battery is charged and go to recent changes. Yep, and confirm I'm near the device and light is spinning. Well, let's turn it upside down, press on that orange button, so that will put you on the setup mode. Yep, make sure the white light is flashing, light is spinning and white, confirm it. Let's go. Oh, that'll take a minute, less than a minute. Actually, choose the Wi-Fi network that you want to connect to. Just enter the new updated Wi-Fi password here. Hope you are using a complex Wi-Fi password. Let me just type in mine and just yep, and all done. Just it's now connecting to the Ring doorbell. My Wi-Fi name is green, so I'm just connecting it. And as you can see, it's blinking, so that means it's setting up the Wi-Fi. And yep, success. That means the Wi-Fi password works and the device is connected, as you can see. Once that's done, your Ring bell should be back online and working as normal. If it doesn't connect first time, double check that the Wi-Fi setting of your router is 2.4 gigahertz and you selected the same Wi-Fi network here. The signal is strong near the doorbell. Okay, and that's it. Nice and simple. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick and practical tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.